I'm Celia Gaze. I'm the founder and chief executive of the Wellbeing Farm located in Lancashire. So the Wellbeing Farm is a B Corp certified events and wedding venue. The underpinning element is a sustainable and fun venue. So sustainability for the Wellbeing Farm is the crucial filter through which every decision is made. The Willow review has these recommendations on sustainable energy. We look through the entire spectrum of energy efficiency and sustainable energy options, but we settled on a wind turbine. The wind turbine is a 20 kilowatt turbine which powers the farm. We'd investigated all the different types of renewables, and because of the location being 800 feet above sea level, the wind turbine seemed to be the perfect solution. It became the symbol of sustainability of the farm, and it started the whole sustainability journey from there. With energy saving, it's not all about choosing renewables. It's also about the energy saving devices that you use on a daily basis. I dread to think if I hadn't got that wind turbine, how much my bills would be. Because the money I spend on electricity versus the income I get from the turbine almost makes electricity cost neutral. And without some sort of sustainable energy provision, I really would sort of almost panic as a business. So one of the commercial and financial benefits of implementing sustainable energy has really been reputational growth, and that has also meant bookings for us. We embarked on the B Corp certification, and then that has secured big contracts, and we are finding that actually it prices you in almost like a premium price brand. You no longer have to battle with your competitors over bargain pricing. We go for the benefits that company will get from choosing a sustainable creative venue. People are looking for sustainable businesses, so it almost becomes an absolute essential